Spyderco Para 3 lightweight. Great knife, but it has one problem from the factory, and that's a detent that's way too weak. See, the lightweight version of the Para 3 comes with FRN scales, which are basically plastic. The lightweight version also doesn't have the liners on the inside that the regular Para 3 does. So those two things add up to a much weaker detent that keeps the blade closed. Now, for me, I had this clipped to the inside of my waistband one time, and something I did got the blade to open up, and that tip stuck me in the side of my hip. And that was it. I decided I couldn't trust it and I wasn't going to carry it anymore. And I put it in the drawer for a long time. Then I found these scales from Applied Weapons Tech, or AWT, and they're made of aluminum. What you see here is Cerakote, but you can also get them anodized. And these scales, they replace the FRN scales, but they also act as the liners themselves. So those two things make for a much stronger detent. And in fact, it's almost too strong, to be honest with you, but it solved that problem. It also makes the knife feel very solid. It completely changes the feel of the knife because, again, these are made of plastic. There's a bit of flex to them. You can see right there. None of that with this. So now that I have these skills, I can carry this knife confidently without worrying that it'll open up in my pocket or my waistband. So for your Para 3 lightweight, if you have the same problem, this upgrade might be what you need. But if you were able to solve that problem with something else, let me know in the comments below because I am interested to hear about that. So if this was useful or helpful, please like the video, consider being a subscriber, and if you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Thanks.